all been there before. We get in a situation where you just need somebody's help, and you have to admit it. Luckily, Alan here, owner of Yankum, came to assist. So a lot of you who don't know what a Yankum is, we're going to kind of describe the difference between your traditional methods of getting unstuck, which are the chain. So tell us what are the perks of going with a Yankum versus a traditional chain or tow strap?
If they don't break and hurt somebody or your rig, you know, they're gonna ruin your recovery points. They can hurt your bumper, they can hurt your frame, brake axles, lots of different things.
So with the Yankum, you get that gradual stretch, buildup of energy using the force, so it's not that jerking motion.
Exactly. So Yankum ropes are awesome. They stretch. What does that do? That gives you momentum to better assist you to get people unstuck, whether that's snow, sand, mud, or rocks. It's also a lot safer. It's also a lot gentler on your vehicle and your friend's vehicle. There's no jerk. Nobody likes to get jerked. So what we do is we have this Yankum rope which stretches. It's just a lot easier. It's a lot more gentle. It's just better for your vehicle.
Instead of having the jerk of the vehicle, it's more like a pulling force.
Yep, exactly.
All right, well, we're actually going to see us get unstuck right now and see the Yankum in action.
TheManSpot.
Yankum, it's about the flex.